Hi guys, hello, namaste, and how are you all? So, guys, as we all know, that new moon has already started. On behalf of that, we will do an energy check and then we will see a new moon tarot spread. So, let's start with energy check first, and this is the first card. Oh wow, community. So, guys, with this card, I'm seeing that behalf of this new moon, some of you will be meeting some new people or whichever is your community. You will be, I don't know how, and uh, I'm also feeling that you will be meeting more people who are from your community. This is what I'm seeing. Another thing, also, the third thing that I'm seeing over here. Now, please don't get offended, everyone else. But if you are from LGBTQ community, so yes, even I'm seeing you. If you someone from that community is watching this video, then yes, you are meeting your tribe. This is what I'm seeing, and basically overall thing, if I will say over here, is you will meet some like-minded people, your soul tribe. Basically, this is what I would say. That's a great thing. Happy family. Wow, wow, beautiful message. Do claim it, guys, do claim it. So if you are a family person, then yes, your family, relationship connection between in your family will blossom, and it will be like a complete family. This is what I am saying. And yes, this can be also a case that if you are looking for that right person of your, or you're looking to get married, yes, your marriage can get fixed, or you may meet that right person. Obviously you will understand some months or a year later or so that this person is the right one, but you will meet that person. This is what I'm getting over here. So basically, I see some sort of completion over here, emotional completion in your life. Okay, seven chakra, Archangel Uriel, and this chakra is actually pointing out our sorry, our crown chakra. And if you were working on your chakras, then this is your message, guys, that your crown chakra is activating and coming into alignment or even balance. And for some of them, you need to work on your crown chakra so that you understand the purpose of your life, and you will understand exactly what you have to do in your life. So what will you do is, you know in the middle of the head, just above, little bit above, I would say some inches above, imagine a white or a purple or a golden color light, and you can chant the Bij mantra, for that, that is AUM. This is what I would say. Or you can even sit silently focusing over there. This will really help you in balancing, in activating your crown chakra, and it will help you to come in alignment with your life, as you will get connected with the divine energies, with the universe. Okay, another beautiful card, door to Hallyu. So if you were not understanding, like you were spending money like anything, you weren't understanding the value of money and all, so now you will understand the value of money. This is what I'm seeing, and maybe you will start uh, saving your money more. This is what I'm feeling over here. Another thing, some of you might also get some sort of opportunity to earn your money, and at that time also you will understand the value of the money. This is what I am seeing over here. That is really a very great thing, so do claim this energy. Now let's move on to the tarot spread. Let me keep this deck aside. So let's check out. I have already shuffled the deck, and a first card will be, guys, that what you need to clear from your life. This is what is been said. That is like not letting you move ahead in your life. First card for this. So, how has been diving deep inspired you to look for and wide for your next journey? Like, are you even understanding? Like, you are trying to dig deep within yourself and all, and how much it has helped you, or how much it is helping you to move ahead in your life. What sort of mind expanding experiences made possible by boldness? Let's see. How does constantly shifting allow you to find your flow, like how you are exactly reacting, taking action? What good fortune awaits your discovery? Okay, this is a bit different spread that I am taking this time, so let's check out. Fine. So the first card, our first card will be about clearing, and this is the card. The card is of Ten of Swords. So guys, I see you're exhausted. You feel maybe betrayed. You feel maybe like everything has ended up for you. Like you're not in a very positive energy. This is the very first thing that you need to release it. This is what I'm seeing it clearly. That just see the picture, like just see this person. He's completely exhausted and all everything, and seems that someone else is somehow trying to push him, but he himself is doesn't seems to be interested. So please, you need to clear this, you need to release this, because some sort of, I'm seeing other interferences in your life because of which you are exhausted. So you need to clear this. Like you don't have your own opinion, you don't have your own you don't have your right to make your own decisions, your likes, dislikes, everything. Maybe a sort of people pleasing type energy I'm feeling over here. So you need to release this now. Also you can do this, even though the new moon has started. You can do this, guys. So you have come up till here, still you're living, still you're doing your best. What inspired you? The card for it is Death card. So with this card, I'm feeling, yes, some unfavorable situations did end up for you, and somehow this is how you are going ahead in your life, slowly and gradually. This is what I am seeing. Some stuffs in your life have ended. Maybe you, at times you felt that why did this end for me. At times you might have felt that, like, it's good that this ended for me, whatsoever it is. But these changes, these transitions have always inspired you to somehow, move ahead in your life, move ahead in your journey. This is what I'm seeing over here, you know and a perfect card, you know transitional phase. And this card also says about transitions, changes, and all, everything. This death actually doesn't mean that type of death of a person, or animals also, no. So now let's see card for your mind expanding experiences. Let's see what you have done for yourself. Okay, the Hanged Man. And with this card, I'm seeing that at times when you felt that you have nothing to do in the means, like you just cannot control the situation. Like you tried your best, but you just didn't. You just at a moment you felt that I just cannot do anything else, and you surrendered the situation. And this somehow gave you a new possibility. This somehow gave you a new direction. Something new happened whenever you surrendered the situation. This is what I'm clearly seeing with this card, and hence I'm seeing this Hanged Man over here. Like if you see the picture, like literally this man is maybe drowning, and these fishes, they are about to bite him. So obviously you can imagine that if something is biting you or something, or if something is hurting you, you will try to save yourself, right? So that particular thing somehow gave a direction, you a new direction always. This is what I would say. Like you didn't even imagine in that way, you didn't even think about some stuffs, and that direction you got somewhere. This was some sort of awakening. This is what I would say with this card. How does, like, if your life has been constantly shifting, how did it you know allow you to find yourself? The card for it, okay. Ace of Pentacles. Oh wow, what a suitable picture over here. So can you see this door? Ace of Pentacles, and the door is open, and what I'm seeing is abundance outside and abundance coming inside in your way. So the constant changes and the new doors opening up for you, as I'm seeing in the picture. This somehow, you know, always allowed you to find yourself in some or the other way. Like, okay, like you understood some or the other thing, you always understood whenever a new door was opened for you, as I'm seeing over here also. If you ever felt that you have lost the flow of your life, but always some or the other door always opened up for you, and somehow you always found out the flow of your life. This is what I'm seeing over here. Something happened, some sort of miracle happened, and you again came on track. This is what I'm seeing over here with this card. Beautiful. It was a slow movement with the Ace of Pentacles, with the Pentacles. This is what I would say, but you at least made a comeback. This is what I would say. Now, last and but not the least, the card for good fortune awaits discovery. What good fortune is there? The Chariot. And this card says you need to have a strong willpower. Keep your will strong, keep your focus high, stay focused. This can also happen, guys, that when you try to stay focused, your you will face something in your life, you will feel it as distractions or something, or you will get some other options that you will feel these are more better also. Just remember one thing, this is a test from universe to see your focus, to see how dedicated you are towards your goals. So the Chariot itself is a very positive card, which says a moment in your life will be there will be a positive moment in your life, but yeah, it also requires your focus over here. Okay, considering the pros and the cons, everything, you need to have that strong will, you need to have that strength and patience at the same time, and there is a positive moment in your life after that. Okay, and this will only happen when you release this, the first card, 10 of Swords, that you know, uh, not letting other people interfere in your life, not letting other people decide for you what is good for you, what is bad for you, what you should do in life. No, no, absolutely not. Chariot, this Chariot is simply telling you, this is a car, this is what I'm seeing, that you are the driver of your life. You need to drive the car, not someone else has to, just keep on uh, handling the wheel of your life. This is what I would say. You need to be handling this car. Remember that, guys. Okay, and it will make changes in your life. So this was the reading with respect to your with respect to the new moon tarot spread. If you understood, if you do like the video, do let me know in the comments, subscribe to my channel, and yes, uh, you can also follow my social media accounts. This is what I would say, and click on the bell icon. This is what I would say, so that you will get the notification for the new videos that come up. Currently I'm not able to stay very consistent in uploading the videos because I have also entered into healing. So I'm also focusing more into that, practicing and all everything. So hence I'm not able to say so consistent over here. As much possible I try to upload. Till then I'm just signing off over here. Thank you.